In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting in Outlook. We'll walk through the process using a web browser, so this will work whether you're on Windows, Mac, or a Chromebook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your meeting lands on the right date and time without confusion. Start by opening your browser and going to Microsoft.com. On the home page, find the All Microsoft option. This is usually at the top of the page, and click it to open the full list of Microsoft services. From that list, choose Outlook. This takes you to the Outlook web experience. Next, click Sign In. Enter your Microsoft account details if you're not already signed in. If you have more than one account, make sure you're using the one that owns the calendar with your meeting. Once you're in, you'll land in your Outlook mailbox. Now switch to your calendar. Click Calendar, typically found in the left-hand navigation. This opens your schedule view so you can see your upcoming events and meetings. Navigate to the date where your meeting is scheduled and locate the specific meeting you need to change. If you organize the meeting, you'll be able to edit it. If you were invited by someone else, you may only see limited options depending on the permissions. Click the meeting to open its details, then click Edit. This brings up the editable event window where you can adjust the key information to reschedule, change the date or the time to what you need. You can drag the time picker or type the new values directly. If your team spans multiple regions, double check the time zone indicator so the new time makes sense for everyone. If the meeting is part of a series, Outlook may ask whether you want to edit just this occurrence or the entire series. Choose the option that matches your intent. Once your changes look good, click Save. Outlook will update the event on your calendar. If you're the organizer, attendees will receive the new time automatically, keeping everyone aligned without extra steps. If a confirmation prompt appears asking whether to send updates, confirming it ensures participants are notified. That's it, your meeting is rescheduled. Quick recap: go to Microsoft.com, open All Microsoft, select Outlook, sign in, go to Calendar, open your meeting, click Edit, adjust the date or time, and click Save. This simple flow helps keep your schedule accurate and your team informed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy how-tos just like this.